Okay, let's complete. Again, you could have said could plus have plus verb 3, which means it was possible. It was possible to say something, but you didn't. Okay, let's see another model with have plus verb 3. I can't find John. أنا مش قادر ألاقي John. He may or might have gone home. He may or might have gone. If I use may or might plus have plus verb 3 past participle gone, what is the meaning? It means it is possible that he has gone home. It is possible. It is possible. شوف الفرق. Could have said it is possible to do something or to say something or to make something, but you didn't, or but she didn't. But هذا الموديل with have plus verb 3 معناها it is possible. It is possible to do that thing. من الممكن إنه كان عملها. sorry. Again بدنا نحفظ المعنى. تمام؟ Okay, now let's see another model. The boat sank. القارب غرق. He might have drowned. He might have drowned. معناها القارب غرق. He might have drowned. What's the meaning of might؟ طلع حالها might have plus verb 3. شوفي هنا معنى تاني كمان أو قريب منه هلأ بنشوفه. might have plus verb 3. What's the meaning of might have plus verb 3؟ اللي هي drawing was a possibility but he didn't drown. يعني بيقول لك القارب غرق. هي منيح ما غرق. كان من الممكن انه يغرق. هيك معناها كان من الممكن انه يغرق. drowning was a possibility. الغرق كان من ممكن انه يصير but he didn't drown. لكن هو ما غرق. تمام. Okay, these examples of model plus have plus verb 3 that mentioned in your pupils book. هدول الكلمات اللي احنا معنيين فيهم لازم نعرف معانيهم. Okay, now what you have, let's complete about how to make the structure of our lesson. هي model verbs plus perfect infinitive. I must have left it at home. How can I make it question? And how can I make it negative? Let's see. كيف ممكن نعمل هذه الجمل modals verb with perfect infinitive question. As you know, if I wanted to make a question, I have to put the helping verb before the subject. okay, لازم احط الفعل المساعد قبل الفاعل. ايش احنا الفعل المساعد هي؟ For example, let's see this example. She is subject. Should here is the model as helping verb also. Have taken is the verb. Okay? Now how can I make it question? I have to put should before she. فبتصير what should she have taken? What should she have taken? Question mark. بصير الجواب she should have taken an umbrella. I'm asking about what? I'm asking about what? What ماذا? So I'm asking about the object. I'm asking about the object. يعني ما تحطي لي what should she have taken an umbrella. لا، طب أنا بسأل what عن الobject. ماذا؟ عن الشيء، عن الجماد. okay? فشو بصير؟ the answer is what should she have taken. تمام؟ بس question mark. The answer is she should have taken an umbrella. We have to put the modal before the subject. Let's see the second example. When? I'm asking about what? About what? About time. Okay, here is the answer. They could have arrived earlier. They is the subject. they is the subject, could the modal, have arrived, and earlier is the answer اللي هي time أبكر. Okay, يلا we have to add the modal before the subject. يلا answer me، جاوبي معي. When could they have arrived? They could have arrived earlier. Okay, this is the question. Let's now, if I ask you to make negative, how can I make negative? Let's see. Okay, negative اللي هي adding what? Adding not. Where can I add not for these sentences? We have number 1. Okay, we have number 1, sentence number 2, sentence number 3. يلا let's make them negative. Yeah, she should, I have to put not after the model. she should not have taken an umbrella. مش تحط لي إياها بعد have هون، لا بعد المودل. we have to add the not we have to add not after the model. يلا let's make it negative. She should not have taken an umbrella. Full stop. Okay, here is the negative sentence of this one. Okay, let's move to the okay. So I change this sentence to make it negative. يلا let's make this sentence negative. يلا how can I make it negative? I have to add not after the model. Yeah, شو بتصير؟ they could not have arrived earlier. Okay, next. Yeah, how can I make this sentence negative? They ought to have shouted. يلا وين أحط النت؟ They ought not to have shouted. مش بعد التو. No, I have to add not after ought. شو بتصير؟ They ought not to have shouted. Okay, I add not after ought. Okay, that is the most important thing, you have to pay attention. Okay, now what we have to do next? Okay, my pupils, you have in your pupils book a homework. You have to do it first. Exercise number 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sentences. You have to answer them in your notebook. Okay, in your notebook. So you have to in your notebook you have to write the name of the lesson, the date, and the number of the page 35. Exercise number 3. Complete. ما راح أحله بس راح أشرح لكم عنه. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verbs in the in brackets. مثلا Ben hasn't come to the meeting. أنا حاط لك المودل وحاط لك المين verb. Okay, what we have to do? We have to make modal verb plus perfect infinitive. يلا he شو بصير الإجابة؟ He must have forgotten. أهم إشي تصريف الأفعال. He must have forgotten. Okay, number 2. It's starting to rain. We ought to have bring. Bring. What's the verb 3 of bring? Yes, brought an umbrella. Sorry, I am late. I should have got up earlier. بتكملي إجاباتك على الدفتر، تبعتي لي، اعملي سكرين شوت، تبعتي لي إياه في نفس اليوم أو تاني يوم الصبح. Thanks a lot for your